Hello everyone! This latest model doesn't try to be flashy for the sake of attention. Instead, it carries a bold, squared-off presence with a more modern front fascia, cleaner LED lighting, and sharper body lines that make it look tougher, wider, and more confident on any terrain. As you look closer at the new grille design, the improved bumper structure, and the distinct DRLs, you can tell that Isuzu focused heavily on making the D-Max look premium, while ensuring nothing compromises durability. The proportions remain balanced, with a raised stance and sculpted wheel arches that show off its off-road intentions without losing everyday usability. Walking around the side, you notice the high-strength steel bodywork that continues to be one of Isuzu's strongest selling points. Every panel feels engineered to last years of hard use, whether you're navigating job sites or rough trails. The truck now sits on updated alloy wheels with improved tires that offer better grip on both paved and unpaved surfaces. The roofline is slightly more aerodynamic compared to previous generations, and the updated mirrors help reduce wind noise during high-speed drives. Even small details like the new door handles, window trims, and bed rails add to the truck's more modern character. The cargo bed looks stronger and more versatile, offering increased tie-down points and optional accessories like bed liners, rail caps, and roll bars for different use cases. The rear continues this rugged yet refined theme, with LED taillights, a reinforced tailgate, and a more functional bumper design. The tailgate is lighter and easier to operate, and the overall rear profile looks more muscular. It keeps every practical element you expect from a true workhorse pickup while still offering a polished design, which is something buyers appreciate now that pickups are serving as both work vehicles and daily drivers. Opening the door, the interior is where the 2026 D-Max takes one of its biggest steps forward. There's a noticeable upgrade in materials, layout, and comfort. The seats feel more supportive, the soft touch elements add a touch of sophistication, and the cabin layout feels more driver-focused than ever. Instead of a purely utilitarian interior, the D-Max now offers a more premium environment with stitched surfaces, modern textures, and improved ergonomics. The updated digital instrument cluster gives clear information, and the larger touchscreen display supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making the infotainment experience smoother and more intuitive. The engine and road noise insulation has been improved to reduce cabin noise for long-distance travel or daily commute. In the rear seats, passengers get better legroom and more comfortable seating angles. Isuzu clearly studied customer feedback, making sure that the D-Max appeals not only to owners using it for work, but also to families and long-distance travelers. Small touches like improved storage areas, USB charging ports, rear AC vents, and smarter compartment layouts make the interior feel well thought out. The D-Max has always been known for its toughness, but the 2026 model finally combines that toughness with real comfort and refinement. Talking about what's under the hood, the engine options continue to focus on reliability, torque, and efficiency, qualities that have made the D-Max one of the most trusted pickups worldwide. The 2026 model is powered by an improved version of the 3.0-liter turbo diesel engine and a more fuel-efficient 1.9-liter turbo diesel option depending on the market. The 3.0-liter delivers strong low-end torque, making it excellent for towing, hauling, and climbing steep trails. The throttle response is smoother, and the new generation turbocharger helps reduce lag while boosting overall efficiency. Isuzu's engineers have tuned the engine to run quieter and cooler, improving both performance and longevity. Driving the 2026 D-Max feels more refined, yet still rugged. The suspension has been upgraded with better damping to reduce harshness over rough terrain. Whether you're driving on city streets full of potholes or rocky off-road paths, the new suspension setup handles bumps with more confidence. The steering feels more precise, and the updated chassis improves stability at higher speeds. The 4x4 system engages quickly and gives excellent traction on mud, sand, gravel, or wet surfaces. Hill descent control, hill start assist, and multiple terrain modes make off-roading easier even for beginner drivers, while experienced adventurers will appreciate the mechanical strength and predictability the D-Max has always been known for. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max embraces the newest technology in driver assistance. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, autonomous emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert give the pickup a modern edge. These systems work together to create a safer and more confident driving experience, and the reinforced chassis ensures top-level crash protection. Combined with a stronger body structure and additional airbag coverage, the D-Max becomes one of the safest pickups in its class. Performance-wise, the D-Max offers improved fuel efficiency thanks to optimized engine mapping, better aerodynamics, and a more efficient transmission. The automatic gearbox shifts smoother and responds faster, while the manual transmission feels solid and more engaging. Towing capacity remains one of the strongest highlights of this truck, allowing owners to pull heavy trailers, boats, or equipment with confidence. The payload capacity also remains impressive, maintaining the practical capabilities that Isuzu truck owners rely on. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 D-Max is its unmatched reputation for reliability. It's a truck built to last, and many buyers choose it because they want something that can handle harsh environments without breaking down. Whether it's extreme heat, muddy trails, steep mountains, or long-distance hauls, the D-Max is engineered to deliver consistent performance. Isuzu invests heavily in durability testing, and you can feel that every component is built with long-term use in mind. The D-Max also offers strong customization potential. Buyers can add off-road accessories like snorkels, skid plates, roof racks, and heavy-duty bumpers. For lifestyle users, there are options like premium bed covers, upgraded audio systems, and interior comfort packages. The truck truly adapts to your needs: work, adventure, or everyday driving. As you spend more time with the 2026 Isuzu D-Max, you realize that its greatest strength lies in its balance. It's tough but comfortable, rugged but modern, powerful but efficient. It can be a workhorse during the week and an adventure companion on the weekends. It can carry heavy loads, tow with confidence, and still provide a refined driving experience suitable for families. This blend of capability and comfort is exactly why the D-Max continues to be a top choice in markets around the world. If you're looking for a pickup that delivers long-lasting durability, modern technology, real-world performance, and strong value for money, the 2026 Isuzu D-Max stands out as one of the most dependable and versatile options available today.